Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen, and today I'm preparing the mutton coconut stew. So here I have 1.5 kilogram of mutton meat, onions, fresh tomatoes, coconut milk and coconut cream, ginger garlic paste, spices, Maggi cube beef flavor and coconut oil. On a high flame, I will start by heating up the coconut oil. Then I'll add in the onions. I'll fry the onions until they are golden brown. Next, ginger garlic paste. Just for a few seconds, I'll add in the meat. I'll cook the meat with the onions for 2 to 3 minutes. Then fresh tomatoes and spices as well. I'll keep on mixing it until the tomatoes are soft. Lastly, hot water. I'll cover it and keep it on the high flame until the meat is 90% cooked. As you can see, my meat is not fully cooked. At this stage, I'll add in the coconut milk and coconut cream. Then I'll keep it on the high flame still for more 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'll close the fire, then add in fresh coriander. I'll mix up everything gently. And my mutton coconut stew is ready. You can serve it with white rice. Let me hope you try out this recipe. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you later in the next video. Bye bye.